Stigma, stigma, stigma. It is a word that means a mark of shame or disapproval. It's like a label that people put on others when they think something about them is bad or wrong. This can happen because of misunderstandings or unfair judgments. Common meanings. 1. Social disapproval. When society looks down on someone because of something about them, like having a mental illness or being different in some way. Example: despite the stigma surrounding mental health, more people are starting to talk openly about their struggles with anxiety and depression. 2. Physical mark. A visible sign on the body like a scar or a birthmark. Example: she faced a lot of stigma at school because of the birthmark on her face, but she learned to embrace her uniqueness. 3. Flower part. In biology, the stigma is the part of a flower that receives pollen. Example: in a sunflower, the stigma is the sticky part at the top of the pistil that catches pollen from visiting bees. General usage. Stigma is often used to talk about unfair treatment or negative attitudes towards people who are different in some way. For example, there is still a lot of stigma around mental health issues. Tips for remembering. Think of a stamp. Imagine a big red stamp that says bad or different being unfairly put on someone. That's what stigma feels like. Stigma equals shame. Both words start with S and mean something negative that makes people feel bad. Fun fact: did you know that the word stigma comes from a Greek word that means a mark made by a pointed instrument? It originally referred to marks or tattoos that were used to show that someone was a slave or a criminal. I hope this helps you understand what stigma means. If you like this video, please subscribe for more learning adventures. Thank you. Bye.